Some people are just stuck. Drop this. Woo! Clean. Stand up now. Snug. All right, so what we're gonna do, you get this towel right at the base of your skull. Pick your head up for me, put it down. All right, and what you do is keep your teeth together, right? Breathe in and out through the nose. I got you here, good. Breathe in and all the way out. Good, and out. All right, good. You okay with that?
Yeah.
What did you feel that one?
Felt it like top to middle back.
Good. Clean.
Yeah.
Got it. Amazing. And still kicking. Stay right there. All right. Good. All right, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go one, 2, 3. All right. And let's go face down. Good. Breathe in and out. Good. Breathe in and out. Good. 5, 4. You can see I'm changing my line of drive. Breathe in. And I want you to bend both your knees. Bend both your knees all the way out. Solid. Drop his arms down. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Deep, right?
That was deep.
Deep. Sometimes when you go deep, you want to get that good set. You don't want to just like be superficial. Got it. That was lovely. Stretch down. Love it. Breathe in. Easy, breezy, down. Good. On your back. Flip over. Spinning from that one, right?
Yeah.
Ooh. Buzzing. Feel high after that. Got it. Got it. Got it. There you go. Sit up straight and stand up.
Could I do that last one where you turn on my
Side posture, yes, sir.
That's pretty nice.
That's the one. Other side.
Oh. That thing gets you.
That's a good one, man.
Oh man. Okay.
Some people are just stuck. Drop this. Woo! Clean. Stand up now. Adjustments don't lie. Turn around. Shoulders out. Good. Exaggerate that. Head back into extension. Good. Good. See how you're doing after that.
Go straighter.
Straighter. All right, let's get you